are heading out onto a little bit of an adventure. The clouds are looking pretty grey, so we might get in the rain, but anyway, who cares? I'm just, you know, too eager. The desire within me to go is just way too strong. So that's exactly what we're doing. We're just going. We don't care. I've got a bed in the back. I've got a little gas cooker, and I've got some food and water, and that's it. I don't really need much else. So whoopsie doopsie. I'm gonna have to turn around and go back.
Head south.
I cannot believe I literally just forgot to go get petrol. One of the very important things, you know, for a journey, because we're close to being empty. We have fueled on up now, and we can skedoodle finally. Oh, please let me go. Ba, 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 ba. This isn't a real song, so don't do me for copyright. We are pretty much here. Now I just got to figure out where to exactly drive. I didn't actually plan this out, and you know, as always, Google Maps just takes you to somewhere random. I have one bar of reception, and I'm probably gonna lose it. Alright, let's give this back grill a rest. I'm gonna go see how far we can get while there's the track return is an hour and a half, which in my opinion really isn't that much, so it should be fine. But it is like 5:16 right now. So I don't know. We'll see. If I get to the waterhole, we'll just get to the waterhole. And then maybe go camp out. I don't know, I really can just park up anywhere. If you're sleeping in your car, you know what I mean? Because I'm like in the middle of nowhere. So it's not really that hard. It's so pretty here. Look at this. And of course, also we have tomorrow, 400 meters underground creek is 1.2. Let's go here. We can go to the waterhole after. Hopefully I can. We've encountered some sort of bug. Hello. Hi. Oh. What is he? It's like a ginormous dragonfly. Hello. Here we go. We got him. I don't know what he is. I wonder if he bites. Hopefully not, but I'll take you for a little walk. Yeah, I'm making friends. Oh my god. What's your name? Is your name Jeff? Oh my baby. He kind of looks like a dragonfly. And he kind of doesn't. I feel like he's a dragonfly. Anyway. Anwar. Hi. You know when you look at bugs sometimes, they just kind of creep you out a little bit. Just sometimes. We blend right in. Go on, buddy. Hey, my phone's not that nice. Hey, nice to meet you. Alright. Came for a little ride. Well, that sun is setting rapidly. Oh, it's 5:30. I feel like I've only walked like 10 minutes. Alright, I think I'm approaching this underground creek because I can see something beautiful. Alright, you ready? You ready for it? I don't know if you're ready. Alright, you ready? Look at this place. Wow. There's nothing to... I can hear the water running. Just can't see it. Very cool. Very nice. How's this even real? Wait. When you're filming and you're not really looking where you're going. Look at this. Wow. How is this even real? Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow, okay. This is cool. This is so pretty. Wow. How is this real? Alright, so we did make it in time, and I think I better start walking back now because the sun is setting rapidly and it's about to get dark. It's time to head on back. Climbed on down there. Honestly, I would stay for longer and explore the cliffs, but it is getting dark. So let's start walking back. I did it. I did it. Not scary at all. This one time in Bangkok, this one time in Russia, I remember I went climbing through like the cliff edges. It was me and my cousin, and then the section that we went through floods up, so in order to get up through the cliffs and around, you have to go through a section that during high tide fills up, and then the water's clashing against the rocks there. So we went up, had a lovely jubbly time climbing on the rocks, exploring the cliffs, and then on the way back the water had come in quite rapidly, and if we went down into the actual water we would have just gotten smashed against the rocks. So then we're like, oh well, let's climb up on top of the cliffs to the very top instead of getting, smashed against the rocks, because it was quite steep. Lots of rocks just falling down as you try and climb up. It was pretty much like the tiniest little slant. That little bit of lean that gave us, the ability to actually continue climbing it. There was like trees sticking out from the rocks, and I remember I grabbed onto a tree and it just started calming down, and my cousin was behind me and it pretty much almost took her out. Finally, after like freaking 2-3 hours of climbing, when we made it to the top, at the very top of the cliff is a house of just scouting for a spot for a pee, a house of a mafia. So just I guess the Russian mafia and whatnot. And then this is a good spot. Yeah, so we got to the top of the cliff and it's this gated area, which is like their house, the mafia house, is facing out into the ocean. And they typically let their dogs out, which roam the forest like outside of the property, just to make sure nobody gets in or gets close and whatnot. So we got up and there was a man up there and he's like, girls, what are you doing here? Why are you up here? So I was just like, oh look, we're just climbing around on the cliffs and got caught out because the water came in, so thought we could, climb up top because we didn't see a way down through the bottom. And yeah, he was just like, oh, okay, yeah, it's fine, no worries, just walk through. So luckily he didn't, have his dogs out there. Made it back to the car. I'm actually quite sweaty after that. I'm gonna go to the campsite. Let's do let's go. We've just made it to the camping spot, so we made it in. Let me show you where I'm sleeping tonight. Right here. Right up in here. In the car. Nice and cozy. Yummy. Alright, I'm probably gonna have to eat this whole can. I don't think it's a good idea to just have this simmering. Yeah, otherwise it'll be so freaking stinker. Ooh, she's angry for some reason. She just keeps wanting to. Woo! Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Anyway, so we're not having eggs, because that cooker thing just burst into flames. So I just shat my pants. I can't believe that just happened. Oh my god, why did that even? I literally just had to toss that out the car. Oh my god. Anyway, just gonna leave that there for a moment. That's messed up, man. That's messed up. Just gonna leave that. Let's just have some tuna and bocconcini. Exciting. Eating out of Mother Nature. Why? There it is. Anyway, let's go enjoy our tuna and bocconcini bowls. Even though almost the whole entire car just, went into flames, it's all good. It's fine. You just got to, live in the moment. This is great. You gotta appreciate the small things. And I've used them like these little gas mate things. I've used them for quite a bit of time actually, so it's like nothing new to me, but I've never had it the whole entire thing ignite into flames. That's something completely new to me. You can see I'm shaking. Honestly, that literally scared the freaking shit out of me. I can't believe that just went into flames. How does that happen? I don't even get to add my eggs, man. And it just burst into flames. Anyway, nothing wrong with tuna and bocconcini bowls. A little bit of barbecue sauce. Who cares, Just be thankful that didn't just literally blow up in my freaking face. So, anyway. Honestly, the eggs would have probably ruined this. That's the last time I'm using that. To look after my weight. Save room for dessert. Little sleeping arrangement. I'm in bed now. I'm gonna get changed and wash my face and brush my teeth and whatnot and go to sleep. So yeah. Guten Nacht. Lekker slapen. Anyway, good night, guys. Morning. Just kind of woke it up. Didn't sleep too well. This bed is set up. It's just like not comfortable. I was gonna get up at 4, but obviously that was a bit too much. So it's like 8:20 now, so I'll start getting up now. Hello. Good morning. Okay, I have a bit more energy now that I've actually jumped out of bed. I've had a bit of a snack. Didn't cook because I don't want that those little gas bottles exploding. So anyway, I'm ready, all freshened up, looking and feeling a bit more alive. Also, thank goodness I bought an energy drink. Musashi's, they're the go-to. If you haven't had one before, this is not sponsored. This is like my go-to. I've got my Aussie shirt on, no worries. And time to get some proper footwear on. My non-gritty shoes on. Here we go. I need to go for a pedal before I decide which hike I'm going. The journey begins, and already it looks freaking beautiful. Look at all these rocks here, man. Almost looks like you're on Mars. Oh wow, okay. I think that's the pyramid over there. Hang on. You see that? That's it right there. Just beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. There's a little path here. So that's what we're taking. How you going, guys?
Where are you off to?
The arch?
Oh, the arch?
Yeah. Have you done the whole entire track?
Nothing worries.
Yeah, just the Aussie way.
Yeah, we just went up pyramid. Too hard.
Oh, you went out? Was it hard?
Too hard.
Really? But you made it to the top?
I didn't make the top.
Oh no.
I couldn't make the top. It's just, Castle Rock was tough, but that's,
Way too steep.
well,
And there's
it goes up
420 stairs up, and then you've got to climb on the mountain.
427.
You missed the view.
And then
Jeez,
you've got-
alright.
Then it gets hard.
Wow, okay.
The stairs are the easy bit.
So it's quite gnarly then. Alright, I'll see how I go by the time I get there, hopefully.
The arch is good.
Okay. We'll see you later. Have a good one. Oh my god, I'm making friends already. I think they like my shirt. Great conversation starter. Supposedly the pyramid is hard. One thing I did realize now is I didn't actually bring any sunscreen. So, and I cannot be bothered to walk back, which is kind of bad. We are at our next little stop, which is the arch. This is so freaking cool. Look at that. Look at this boulder in the crevice like that. It's crazy. How cool. How cool is that? That you can literally just walk under it. Live life on the edge and just like be under a rock that is lodged in between two rocks, and if one of the other two decide to give way, that is the end. And look, oh my gosh. Ready? Oh, this is so cool. Hang on. Butterfly, butterfly. Look at this. Look at this. I'm literally between two rocks. So it makes me feel like I'm like one of those cave explorers. Hang on, I'm gonna make a funny video. Give me a sec. Guys, I found another cave just right in there, and I'm gonna go explore it. She's a bit tight, she's a bit small, but I can hear there's a water source at the bottom, and that's what we want to get to. Someone's arm. That's not mine. It's the last cave explorer's arm. You alright, buddy? Tap a finger if you are. Alright, he's not alright, but we just gotta keep moving. So beautiful here. Wow. Butterflies! Oh my god, they're like everywhere. No. It's a tight squeeze. I have to take my bag off. Just butterflies. Oh god. Everywhere. I was thinking about doing that, the pyramid thing that man was talking about, because life's too short to explore and take challenges. It is a bit of a longer walk. We're inside a tree, by the way, hence why I'm so bright. Beautiful. Did you see a snake? Because I didn't. Maybe there's one up the top. Alright, and so it begins. I think it was 147 steps. So they've just started now. Oh my god. Not only is it hot, but it's steep. My god. There's so many of them. Here we go. This kind of reminds me of the time when I was in Japan. There's like a place there that you hike up to the top. I wonder if it was like 1,000, 2,000, or if it was, I don't know. Alright, don't take me up on it. I was heavily overweight and I was struggling big time. I was so unfit and I had body dysmorphia, but the opposite type of body dysmorphia where you think you're really fit and muscly when you're actually overweight. Look, there's a sign. You know what that means? It means we stop and we take a moment to read it. You know? You gotta read all the signs. Warning, Ashton. Steep, hazardous rock face ahead. Beyond this point, the walking track proceeds up a steep section of exposed rock. It can be slippery and has trip hazards. Physical fitness, bushwalking experience, and appropriate footwear with good grip is recommended. Serious injuries have occurred from falls in this area. How are we feeling? We don't have gritty shoes, as always. You know, the typical story. It's a dry day. It's not raining. You know what I mean? Have we done 147 steps already? God, that was nothing. Yeah, Japan was definitely in the thousands. Attempting it. It is right up there. It's steep right now, but this is like manageable. Oh god, it's getting immensely steeper. I'll tell you that much. Holy shamoly. I don't think I can. I don't know if I'll be able to do the other part of it. This already in itself has me leaning forward. Jesus, this is insane. Oh my god, got some good views. Jeez, it's crazy. Oh my god, honestly, I have no idea if I can do that. This looks to be, it's possible, for sure. This is insane. Holy shit. The fuck? What the actual fuck? Ooh. The views though. Hibbity jibbity. If you're scared of heights, don't do this. Do I try that? or what we're thinking? Do we go straight up the hill or do we go to where the rocks are? You can see? You can kind of use that as like a leverage to get up, I guess. Or what if we go sideways? You know what I mean? If we do zigzags. Oh my god. This is so petrifying. That is just so steep. What the fuck? I don't understand. Anyway. There we go. Got some rocks. Crazy. People do this. Why do people do this? Oh my god, this is like a... Oh my god, this is so scary. Am I scared? No. Jesus Christ. This is like a literal rock wall. How the hell am I going to get down is the question. How is it? It's not bad, you know what I mean? It doesn't feel bad. It just feels crazy. Just insane, man. So, I don't know how I'm going to do walking down. It's fucked up. So high. For your safety, take care near cliff edges. Are we seeing this? It's literally a rock wall. Now, if I think about it, it's not bad, it's not hard, right? Literally, this is insane because if I climb that up, I have zero idea how I'm gonna get down. I'm just contemplating. I could get up this for sure. I've got shoes aren't doing too bad. Feels easy. This feels good. So steep. This is insane. Oh my god. Petrifying. Literally. Freaking petrifying. We're up here. Now we climb. But where am I climbing? Don't know if that was a good choice. The camera decided to not function in the way that I need it to. I must be going the right way. I didn't realize there's white markings on the rocks. Alright, so this must be the way. I actually had no idea. That is insane. God. Now, this isn't even puffed out breathing. This is just holy shit. We seen this. Here's my feet. Gotta live life on the edge. Gotta live life on the edge. Alright, we're doing this. We're not doing bad, guys. I'm seeing lines. This is crazy. I'm gonna continue. Little moment of appreciation of thus a location. Beautiful, splendid. Now we continue. Now we continue. All right, I'm gonna bring you in closer so I don't have to. God, this in itself right now. How am I gonna get up top of this? I kind of feel like pooping myself. It gets me nervous. You know what I mean? All right, so I guess I have to go up sideways. Oh my God, this is so scary. All right, we're doing it. Every time I turn around, I get the hibbity jibbity. Because look at this shit, man. Look at that cliff edge, man. My tootsies and the cliff edge. We're high. Wow. Oh my God. Am I scared? No, you're scared. Don't we? Alright, we follow the white dot along the cliff edge. Just follow the white dot along the edge of the cliff. Follow it. The rocks are your friend. Yes, they are. The rocks are your friends. That's what they are. They are your friend. Oh my God. This is deep. Wow. That's a bit better. Follow the rocks. Sorry, the white dots. Wow. Oh my gosh. That's a nice fucking rock. Let's continue. Let's keep on going. Following the white dots. Oh, that's right. It's supposed to rain today. So, let's see. Any dark clouds? Not really. Alright, well, we'll keep going. Because it is supposed to piss down. Alright. But we're going to get to the top and get down before it does. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh my God. That is bloody nice. So let's just keep going. Oh, hello. How are you? Excuse me, sir. You would happen to have some time to talk about our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ? Okay, I guess you didn't have any time to talk about our Lord and Savior. Oh my God. Hiya! Parkour! White dot. There it is. Right over here. Hiya! Hiya! Looking for the next white dot. Oh, I found her. There she is. White dot. Oh, there's the other one. Oh my God. We have made it to the top. The views go hard, man. This is mad. It's crazy. Whew. Whew. Wow. Soak this in with me, my friends. Look at this view. Wow. Just beautiful everywhere you look. Makes the heart feel good. In the next half an hour, it's supposed to start raining. So we have to try and get down this before it does, because no way will I be able to actually go down if it is pissing down. So yes, the mission is now to safely get down before it is impossible. Let's go. Oh, it's a gnarly web behind me. Wow. Holy shit, it's steep. This is what we're going down at the moment. Alright. I might have to have two hands on deck and put this away, because coming up is one thing, coming down is another. Up here, I think. God, this is petrifying. This is scary. The journey continues. It's crazy that they make these type of tracks, you know what I mean? If I didn't know this was a track, I probably wouldn't have really conquered it. I would have gotten to a certain point and then I would have been like, no, that's it, that's me, thank you. But since people walk it, I'm like, okay, take the challenge. Alright, gonna put you away. We have officially made it to the bottom. It was a little bit challenging coming down and a little bit scary, but it wasn't as bad once you get like the hang of the incline and trust yourself a bit more instead of being all like, oh, then it's not that bad. Yeah, now back to the car. I wouldn't mind a snack or something. How did I not see this big rock just standing there? How's that even possible? Are we seeing this? Look at that. Just balancing on one rock. Does that not feel like petrifying? It gives me the urge to just push it, you know what I mean? But then, what if it falls on me? Just made it back to the car, honestly. I'm starving. Starving like crazy. Right, just cooked this eggs and rice on the barbecue. Nothing exploded, luckily. I'm so hungry. Starving. Honestly, I don't know if that food gave me more energy or just made me want to have a nap. Nonetheless, I've got some food in me now, all ready to go. I'm gonna head back out where I went to yesterday and see if there's like a little track off-road. Alright, come on. Give me something. Give me something. We're just doing a walk in the park. That's us, I guess. High Clarence Fort. Wee! Woohoo! Nothing crazy. Very mediocre. Woohoo! A drive in the park. Have a tilt. We're tilting. Oh! Oh! A few little rocky surfaces, nothing crazy. Going with the flow. Nice, nice, nice. Here she goes. All right, we got to get through this. Easy. That wasn't hard. That was easy. I wonder what that looked like on the camera, because obviously to my eyes it is so steep. That was a little bit exciting. A nice drive in the park. And honestly, that whole entire thing, a two-wheel drive could have done that. That wasn't even that hard. Alrighty, tidy. I had a lot of fun, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on my little adventure, and until next time.